Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine and great because I am. So basically guys, today what I'm gonna go through is just an introduction to studying expressions that I just want to go through before we go over a grade 9 math past paper, and I have a perfect question with this that correlates with this. And let's get to it. So studying expressions, as you can see here, I got a little, expression right here. Technically it's an equation, but yeah, I got an expression over here, and as you can see, this is a coefficient, this is a variable, these are terms, this is a constant. Okay, so now I'm going to go through what are terms. Terms are components of algebraic expressions. Okay, they can be numbers or variables. They are only separated by addition and subtraction signs within an expression. They are individual parts of the expression. So basically what I'm trying to say is that terms are basically separated by only a plus and a minus, not a multiplication, not a division, only plus and minus. I'm putting emphasis because some people get confused, and I also used to get confused with that. So that's why I'm trying to tell you that is that terms are only separated by addition and subtraction signs within an expression. So for example, if I ask you how many terms are there, I'm going to say 2. Why? Because terms are only separated by a plus and minus. 1, 2. Only 2 terms. Okay. Now we go to a coefficient. A coefficient, these are numbers multiplying the variable. Okay, it is the number that multiplies the variable. It is the number or symbol that multiplies a variable or term in algebraic expression. So for example, I said 4x. Now, what is the coefficient of x? 4. And guys, here's a trick. Technically it's not a trick, but it's just something that can really help you. So remember, or just understand that a coefficient is anything that is in front of the variable. So what is in front of x? 4. And x is a variable, okay? So think of coefficient as a number or something that is in front of a variable. So what is in front of x? 4. Simple as that. Okay. Now we go to variables. Variables, these are symbols which are usually letters, as you can see here, for example. As you can see here, these are variables x and y. So these are symbols which are usually letters that represent unknown or changing values. For example, x, y, or b. Okay, now we go to constant. Now, constant are just simple numbers or simple numerical values. For example, like 4, 5, or -3, and etc. Just think of constant as something that is on its own. It has no partner. It's unmarried. It's just single. For example, a constant in this expression is 8 because it has nothing. It's on its own. It's single. It's not married. Okay. So a constant can just stand on its own. It has no partner whatsoever. So I gave an example for us to try. So now, how many terms are there? There are 4 terms, correct. And now I'm going to give you, so basically, there are 4 terms. I'm just going to write it here, 4 terms. Okay, 4 terms. Okay, 4 terms. And what is the coefficient of x cubed? 4. Remember, coefficient, it says here the number multiplying the variable. So the number multiplying with the variable or the number in front of the variable, and that is 4. What is the coefficient of x squared? 2. What is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x? It is not 3, it is -3. You need to always take the sign that is in front of it. If it's positive, you don't have to put the positive sign. You can just put it as is. But since it's a negative, your coefficient of x is technically -3. Okay. And what is your constant? Your constant is 1. Okay. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. It has come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please guys, hit that notification bell for any new video of mine that pops up on my channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye.